Okay, okay.
So, good day everyone, and we are the Group 5, and we're going to talk about the platform YouTube, and we're going to discuss more information about YouTube, the history and brief background of it, and how it works, what is the impact in our society, and the benefits for us students, and also for our education. So, before anything else, I likely to introduce you Elijah Amir for some icebreaker.
Good day, everyone. I'm Elijah Amir El Mapa. So I'm here to introduce you to our icebreaker. I would like you to guess whose YouTuber is this. Anyone wanna answer? Lennox, can you answer it for me?
The YouTuber name is Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast is correct, bro. It's correct. Next, whose streamer is this? Okay, Wesley.
I show speed.
I show speed. Let's go. Fun fact about I show speed, he's one of the most
Stream.
energetic streamer of all. Next, who's this Minecraft YouTuber? Anyone remembers him?
Wala.
Wesley again. Okay.
Dream.
Whose Minecraft
Dream.
YouTuber is this?
Dream.
Correct, bro. It's Dream. Okay. Who's Sino ang tutor na ito sa YouTube? Isa tong magaling na tutor. Okay, Abelino.
Organic chemistry.
Organic chemistry, tama ka dyan, bro. Itong last na to, special to Special guest natin to. Whose Filipino YouTuber is this? Rain Tagakay. Would you like to answer?
Ibana Alawi.
Ibana Alawi is correct, bro. Okay, for the last one, bro. Who is this Filipino YouTuber? Anyone? Okay, Juan Carlos. Sino to?
Tony Fowler.
Tony Fowler. Tama. Okay. Ang cute niya dito sa Jollibee, no? Okay. Tapos na po ang icebreaker natin at we're gonna go ahead and talk about the history or background of YouTube.
The history and background of YouTube. It all started with Steve Chen, the former co-founder and CTO of YouTube. He went to Silicon Valley in 1999 to join PayPal. For him, Silicon Valley is the place where technology meets ideas and makes products come to life. Here, he met product designer Chad Hurley and software engineer Jawed Karim. After PayPal's big increase in popularity, they thought about what to do next. Driven by goals and determination, they decided to create their own startup. The three noticed the birth of broadband in the year 2005 and their potential to be big. With inspiration from other apps like Flickr, they created their startup from scratch. And did you know that it actually started as a dating app before it was YouTube? It lasted for a full 1 week before being changed because no one uploaded on their platform. They decided to give it another shot. Instead of it being focused on dating, they made it generalized. From funny videos to educational videos, YouTube has almost all of the things you can search for. And that was where their journey started.
Hello, rinig ako. The time that Google bought YouTube. Google purchased YouTube on October 9, 2006 for $1.65 billion in stock, a deal finalized on November 13, 2006. This acquisition allowed Google to enter and dominate the online video market, a sector where its own video service, Google Video, had not succeeded. YouTube continued to operate independently, benefiting from Google's resources to navigate copyright issues and scale its rapid growth. Next slide.
Numbers of YouTube users in YouTube. YouTube has over 2.70 billion active users and 69 million creators all over the world. But in the Philippines, the estimated YouTube users is 58.1 million. And fun fact, the most subscribed YouTube channel is Mr. Beast with over 426 million subscribers. Next slide.
Okay. Rinig ako. Rinig ba? Okay, so we're going to talk about the goals and uses of YouTube. So one of the goals of the YouTube is to provide a platform for users to create and share and watch videos. Also, YouTube is not all videos, but to give everyone a chance to share their ideas and creativity. And the uses of the YouTube, it serves many purposes, including entertainment, education, marketing or advertising, community building, networking, and information sharing. Second is communities formed around shared interests, whether in music, gaming, fitness, or lifestyle. Lastly, schools and organizations use it for education and communication. So we can see that the YouTube main goal is to provide a space for every users to create, share, and watch videos. YouTube isn't just for entertainment; it's also a tool for learning, for building communities, and um, uh, what else? And making a living for different YouTubers. So next slide. So in YouTube, you can have different videos. We call it content genres, and there's a lot of genres that you can find on YouTube. So YouTube hosts a wide range of content such as news, sports, animation, blogs, entertainment, gaming, education, DIY, health, technology, travel videos, food, and beauty fashion. As you can see here in the slides, there are some examples of videos that you can watch on YouTube in different genres. Use sports and animation. Also, the next slides. The next slides. The next slide talks about also the different genre. We have gaming, and and now YouTube has upgraded its features. There are live streaming and short reels that you can watch. And also for educational, we have TED Ed, entertainment for Mr. Peace, travel videos, food like mukbang videos, and lastly is the vlogs that YouTubers make. So now when it comes to content, YouTube really has everything from news and sports to music videos, gaming, education, and even tutorials. YouTube has it, and it makes a powerful platform since it has different variety that suits for every kind of viewer. And yeah, that's it. Next slide.
Impact of YouTube in our society. YouTube has become a power platform that influences both education and society. It provides global access to knowledge, offering diverse resources such as a lecture, tutorials, and hands-on guides that cater to different learning style. By connecting learners and education worldwide, it fosters creativity, innovation, and collaboration. Beyond education, YouTube's strength global connectivity allows people to share diverse perspectives and gives individual space of creative expression. Overall, it it was transformed the way we learn, connect, and communicate, making it essential part of modern society. Next.
So now I'm going to discuss and tackle about how help and benefits of YouTube to students. So YouTube provides free access to lessons, tutorials, and lectures that help students understand their subjects better. It also allows them to review and learn at their own pace by posting and replaying videos. Aside from academics, YouTube helps students gain practical skills such as creativity, problem solving, communication, and even technical skills, which are useful for their future career and personal growth. For furthermore, YouTube is a valuable tool for students because it provides unlimited access to educational content ranging from academic lessons to tutorial various topics. It makes learning more flexible. A student can study anytime and revisit topics they find difficult. Beyond academics, YouTube also serves as platform for learning life skills, improving creativity, and gaining practical knowledge, which helps students prepare for both school success and real-life challenges. Next.
YouTube today is more than entertainment. It's a free learning platform where students can access lessons on almost any topic. With visuals, demonstrations, and examples, learning feels easier and less complicated. Unlike classrooms, videos can be watched anytime, paused, or replayed for better understanding. It also helps with language learning and communication skills, while making education fun, creative, and globally connected. Next.
Okay, before we end everything else, I would like you to introduce to our activity for today. The first step to do is to subscribe to the channels that we showed in our icebreaker. After that, after you subscribe to those YouTubers or content creators, send a screenshot on the GC of 11 STEM 2513 Engineering. And for the last step, put these hashtags NU4View, hashtag 11 STEM 2513, all caps before sending. Before we end, I would like you to know our professional teams. We have Elijah Amir El Mapa, Wesley Isaiah El Fortich, Carl Padilla, Miguel Aldrich, Lennox Abergido, Juan Carlos Buendia, Angelus La Victoria, Abelino Navia Villadares, and for the special mention, Rain Tagakay. That's all. Thank you for listening, guys. I hope you learned something new.